I've had a fantastic time making this plate. It was the first time I really put the DRO to use, like really put it to use. And I realized my RAM is too far forward, but it's stuck. So I wanted to push it back and go through the wall a little bit. Like even 4 inches would have been great, but I can't. So I got to figure out how to unstick the RAM now. But what I built was this little pallet, and I built these little T-slots that go in there. And this is all locked down. Like this is now part of the Gorton P1-2 now. And why did I do this? So I could do little widgetry and stuff like this, you know, like this little fence. This is a little clamp. This is another little clamp, just square something up, lock it in. I put as many holes as I could. Well, actually, I could have done more. I could have doubled down, but this is every 50 millimeters. So this is 25 millimeters, 25 millimeters, 25 millimeters. So it's a pretty big. So it's 100 millimeters and 200 millimeters. So 400 millimeters by 200 millimeters. And it's a really nice fixture plate. And I wanted to do a similar thing up here, but it got complicated. And I tried removing this, and I realized that I'd have to build this stack. So what I opted to do was my copy trace table. My trace table had holes that were just 1/4-20. So I just punched some holes in a piece of sheet metal, and it's like an 1/8 inch thick piece of sheet metal. This is my center, so I actually have like a center point. Of course, my machine is tucked here, so I don't have that much space, but I need to copy some things, and I'm going to be putting that to use. I'm excited to use it, and this was a great little project that I highly recommend everybody get for the shop. But these are all 5/16 NCs, and cheapest chips, and they're just everywhere. I had long ones and half threaded ones and stuff, and I just cut them down to the size I need, and it was good. Where did I get this piece of aluminum? I was at a scrap sale, and this guy was selling off an estate sale of motor parts, and he had this and about like 4 other pieces that were like this. This is 3/4 inch thick aluminum, so I was very lucky to get that for like $60. Score.